Alright, putting in your drip irrigation system.
Yeah, so we took out the sprinkler that was there, unscrewed it, and then put in the filter for the drip irrigation system, and then the part that goes like inside the cap or whatever.
Why is it wet around here right now?
That's a good question.
There might be a seal that's not quite...
I guess so, yeah.
Okay. Alright. We could just make sure that things that need more water is right there.
Okay.
Or we could fix it.
Put the big tubing in, then there's some... Is it rusting?
Where?
Yeah. That's water. Interesting. Must be. Is it full? Is it?
It's rusting. Oh, the...
Water is...
Interesting.
Yeah, I know water was like dripping out like super slowly. Well, not super slowly, but slowly.
Yeah, because you could see some water here,
And,
right? Moisture. Oh, careful, careful.
And I don't know how that was leaking out because the system wasn't on.
Looks like there's a little bit of liquid
So-
here. Look.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So I'll have to take a look at that. But
So the way this works is you have these T-joints or corners, and you cut these pieces and you jam them in, and then this is theoretically held by the fold, preventing the water from coming out. Okay. All right. So now I get to do some.
yeah, so all the big tubing is in place. There's just like one spot where we need to put the parts that hold it. But we've got a couple more of the...
Oh, look, something has been
tubes.
eating our... Oh,
So,
look.
yeah, so you can see like over there, you prick a hole and then put the adapter in, and then you
Right.
can connect the
This one here.
the flash,
Okay.
the microtube in,
The microtubing. Okay.
and then that'll run along, and then you can put
And there are little holes in between, or is it only here?
no, it's only at the end there.
Okay.
And then that's a I forget what the word is, adjustable something.
Oh, an adjustable head? Cap?
Yeah, I forget the type of irrigation it is. I don't think it's a bubbler. I forget the word.
Okay.
Yeah, we got a couple of those to put in, and then that's about it.
Okay, so what are we going to do next?
We're gonna look at the tube.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do this and then secure this tube in place.
Yeah, let me put this over here too. Alright.
Okay, we're good?
Yeah.
I'm going to do it at the end because...
We'll need a couple over here too.
Okay.
Along the way. On the other end.
Okay. Come on. Wow, there's a lot of them. How much did
Yeah.
this cost?
I don't know. $15 maybe? Maybe less, maybe more.
Okay. All right. Oh. I guess we could use them for Christmas too. All right. So this one gets put over here. Oh, so we'll jam it in here because...
Here.
Okay. Hang on. All right. Keep it close to the wall. That looks good, right? And then this one, again, close to the wall.
And maybe just like one more along the middle.
Okay.
Alright. Now,
Okay. Oh, you need to do it on this side too? Or you already did? Hang on, can I?
this is the tool that we use to put the holes in, and then we can connect up the microtube with the adapters that are included with these things. Okay, these are bubblers, adjustable bubblers.
Okay.
So this end goes into the half inch, and then this goes into the quarter inch. Or that's not a quarter. I don't know. You know, the small one.
Wait, oh, so you can do either or. It's either half inch or quarter inch, or?
No, this goes into the half inch, and then this goes onto the micro tubing.
Is that half inch?
Yeah. What?
Okay, let's see how do we do this.
What?
I'm confused, but
You pick a hole with that, and
mm-hmm.
this goes into the 1/2 inch.
Oh, that one. Oh, I see. That okay. Okay. So we have 2 here. 1, 2. Okay.
Yeah. So over here, I think, I don't know, you think 1 here, you think 2 for the broccoli? I don't think we need to put any in for the carrot right now because
it's a mess.
I don't want to deal with that.
1 on either side of the broccoli. How about that?
Okay.
Wow, look at this thing. Yikes. Crazy, huh? All right, so I punch it with this. So like 1 over here.
Right. So let's figure out where. Exactly.
Like 1 right here.
Where do you think of putting it?
Right here.
Where are you thinking of putting this?
I suppose right here.
Just for these 2?
Yeah, we're going to do 2. So 1 on this side and 1 on this side.
And 6. That's. We're looking at probably around 1/2 foot of radius.
Hey, Bray, look at this.
If we go really big.
Is this alive? This thing here.
What?
On that leaf?
What?
There's a little thing down below, or is it just...
What do you...
There's a little, like, thing.
Oh, yeah.
Is it alive?
I don't know. So we're looking at anywhere from... What's the black one?
I think I've seen brown roly-polies before.
I haven't. Let me see black.
Really? I guess I don't even know.
Okay, well, what do you feel like? Here, a little bit different. It's gonna be 180.